Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the door handle on a GMC Sierra. You will need a Torx 30 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a panel removal tool to get started. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from any debris or sharp edges. Ensuring proper safety precautions will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Gather your tools before beginning for an efficient repair. First, use your panel removal tool to carefully pry off the interior door panel, starting from the bottom edge. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors for components like window switches and door locks. You will also need to unclip the control rods that link to the door latch and handle. Finally, using your Torx 30 screwdriver, remove the 2 or 3 bolts securing the old door handle assembly, typically found near the handle itself. Now, align your new door handle with the opening, ensuring all parts fit correctly. Carefully reattach the control rods to the new handle's connection points, making sure they snap securely into place. Then, insert and tighten the 2 or 3 Torx 30 bolts to firmly secure the new handle assembly to the door frame. Reconnect all electrical connectors for your window switches and door locks, confirming each one clicks into place before proceeding. Finally, carefully align the door panel and snap it back into position. After the door panel is fully reinstalled, open and close the door several times, testing the interior and exterior handles for smooth operation. Make sure the door latches and unlatches without any sticking or resistance. Double-check that all the door panel clips are securely seated and that there are no gaps or loose sections. A quick test of the power windows and door locks will confirm everything is fully functional. Your new door handle is now ready for reliable use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.